you so much, Erin. The title of Newsweek's World's Best Hospital has once again gone to Mayo Clinic for the 7th year in a row. KIMT News 3's Esteb spoke with some employees to learn what contributes to the continued success of the health giant.
According to Mayo Clinic, it sees 1.3 million patients from 130 countries every year, and its wide impact is just one of the reasons why it was voted the world's best hospital. Newsweek's #1 ranking is based on patient survey results, an international survey of more than 85,000 healthcare professionals, key performance metrics, and implementation of patient-reported outcomes.
Our staff work tirelessly to help patients overcome the most serious and complex illness, and they really deserve this recognition. So we're extremely proud of this #1 ranking.
Speaking of the hospital's extraordinary staff, Daniel Knight is a surgical first assistant at Methodist Hospital. He moved up from Florida to work at Mayo Clinic here in Rochester.
A surgical assistant's kind of in charge of getting the patient ready for surgery on the front end. Once we get the patient prepped and ready for the doctors to come in and do the surgery, we scrub in with the doctors and kind of help them complete that physical surgery, and then at the end assist in closing up.
He's been working at Mayo for 7 years.
Start to finish, my 7 years here has really just felt impactful. I feel like you can really palpably see the difference that you can make in a patient's day to day.
This #1 ranking comes as the health giant is making strides in its Bold Forward Unbound project.
Everything that we're doing with Bold Forward Unbound is to better enable our staff to perform as best they can. So our staff will continue to be the most important part of Mayo Clinic.
More than 80,000 total employees work at Mayo Clinic, all contributing to that title of World's Best Hospital.
I think the magic of the clinic doesn't necessarily come from the rankings, it comes from the rank and file. Everyone is kind of coming to work every day and really taking pride in what they do and putting the needs of the patient first. And it's kind of one of the core Mayo Clinic values, I think, that they work very hard to instill in their staff. And I think obviously that yields promising results.
In Rochester, Esteb, KIMT News 3.
According to Mayo Clinic, it has more top rankings for high-quality patient care than any other healthcare organization, regardless of the criteria.